Good morning, students. Today we'll start our next topic of chapter air and water. And that next topic is water. All plants and animals need water to live. We use water for drinking, cooking, washing, bathing, cleaning, etc. Okay, in our daily work, most of all time we need water. And water is very important for every living being. Okay. The water that we use mainly comes from rivers, ponds, lakes, and wells. Okay, this water contains dirt, sand, mud, and germs that make it unfit for use. Okay, water we are using in our home, it is mainly come from the rivers, pond, lake, and wells. And when it came, that water is contain the water contains dirt, sand, mud, and germs that make it unfit for use. We cannot use it in same way. Okay, so what to do? The substances that make water dirty or unfit for use are called impurities. Okay, जो भी substance water में मिले रहते हैं, द substance that make water dirty या water को गंदा करते हैं, that आर कॉल्ड इम्प्योरिटीज़. ओके, उनको हम इम्प्योरिटीज़ कहते हैं जो वाटर को डर्टी करते हैं. द इम्प्योरिटीज़ आर ऑफ टू काइंड्स, वन सॉल्यूबल, अदर वन इनसॉल्यूबल इम्प्योरिटीज़. सॉल्यूबल जो वाटर में घुल जाते हैं और इनसॉल्यूबल इम्प्योरिटीज़ जो अनघुले रहते हैं, जैसे सैंड. ओके, सो सॉल्यूबल इम्प्योरिटीज़ डिजॉल्व इन वाटर, फॉर एग्जाम्पल सॉल्ट. Insoluble impurities do not dissolve in water, for example sand and mud. Understand? Now, soluble impurities cannot be seen in water. Soluble impurities को जो घुली हुई होती है पानी में, उसको हम देख नहीं सकते. Okay, we cannot see. So, we'll study here how can we remove impurities from the water. So, there are different methods to remove the impurities from water. So first of all, we will learn about to remove insoluble impurities from water. Insoluble impurities can be removed by sedimentations, decantation, and filtration. Okay, there are three methods to remove the impurities from from water that are insoluble impurities. Okay, or we can say insoluble impurities can be removed by three methods, that are sedimentation, decantation, and filtration. So first of all, we will study about sedimentation and decantation, what we will do by this method. So in this method, water with insoluble impurities is allowed to stand. इस मेथड में क्या करेंगे, पानी को भर के रख देंगे जिसमें insoluble impurities है. ओके, वी अलाउ इट टू स्टैंड. स्टैंड मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि खड़ा कर देना, बट उसको भर के किसी बर्तन में रख देंगे. वी कैन नॉट टच इट. ओके, और उसको हिलाएंगे भी नहीं. ओके, वी विल नॉट डिस्टर्ब इट. आफ्टर सम टाइम द इम्प्योरिटीज सेटल डाउन एट द बॉटम ऑफ द कंटेनर एज सेडिमेंट्स. और सेडिमेंट्स के रूप में हम क्या देखते हैं कि कुछ देर बाद, कुछ घंटों के बाद वो सेडिमेंट्स जो हैं नीचे बैठ जाते हैं. जितनी भी उसमें गंदगी है वो सब पानी के नीचे बैठ जाती है. दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड सेडिमेंटेशन. Understand what is sedimentation? Okay, now next process is decantation. In this method, after sedimentation, okay, after sedimentation the clean water can be slowly poured out into a separate container. जितना भी क्लियर वाटर है, क्लीन वाटर है जो ऊपर आ गया था और सेडिमेंट्स नीचे बैठ गए थे, उसको हम वी कैन pour it in another container. Okay, separately we will keep it. So this process is called decantation. इस प्रोसेस को हम क्या कहेंगे, decantation कहेंगे. You can see in this picture. Okay, this is dirty muddy water, and this is then after standing for some time the water, that sediments are settling down in the bottom here. Okay, and then the second method we are using, that is decantation, and in decantation they are pouring the clean water into another container. Understand? Yes. The rate of sedimentation can be improved by adding some chemicals like alum. This process is called loading. Alum particles attach themselves to impurities, thus making them heavier. और इस प्रोसेस में वी कैन ऐड एलम और सम अदर केमिकल, तो वो वाटर बिल्कुल एकदम क्लीन हो जाएगा एंड इट इज़ ready to use. Understand? Yes. Now, filtration. Filtration is also a method to purify, to remove the insoluble impurities from water. In this process, liquid is passes through a filter paper. A mixture of sand and water can be filtered. In this process, you can see that uh, the liquid passes through a filter paper. This is funnel. Okay, this is funnel, and in the funnel they have set one filter paper cone. Okay, and through this cone they passes the liquid or water. So a mixture of sand and water can be filtered. जो भी mixture है पानी का और sand का, sand और water का, that will filter by this method. Understand? So the filter paper is folded twice to make a cone. कोन बनाने के लिए फिल्टर पेपर को क्या किया गया, ट्विस्ट किया गया, और दिस कोन इज केप्ट इनसाइड द फनल. द फनल इज केप्ट ऑन द conical flask. दिस इज कॉल्ड conical flask. Okay, conical flask. The water seeps through the filter paper and collects in the flask. We can see here now the water seeps. यहाँ पर water seeping हो रहा है and it is collecting in the flask. Okay, तो impurities like sand are left on the filter paper. जितना भी impurities है वो सब यहाँ पर filter paper में ही रुक जाएगा, water नीचे आ जाएगा. Understand? So this is also very useful method, that is called filtration, and you can do it at your home also. Okay, so in this video till here will teach you, taught you, and tomorrow I will give you my next video. Thank you very much. Till then, you read your chapter and watch the video nicely. Thank you very much. Bye.